And that concludes to our first game tonight, mga ka-Asenso. The Pagadian City Police Station became victorious against the Regional Mobile Force Battalion with the final score of 79-65. And of course, here with me is the best player, Sir Alexander Lumondot, goals of 19 points. Sir, masensong gabi kanimo diha og congratulations sa inyong kadaugan karong gabi una. Sir, first of all, our deepest condolence for the loss of one of your teammate due to tragic motorcycle incident. But tonight, sir, you showed an incredible strength. Sir, sino o paano nyo pinapanatili yung laban kahit ganun pa man ang pinagdaanan nyo, sir?
Siguro sa teamwork ng kasama namin at pagsisikap through effort, practice, and then tiwala lang palagi sa Panginoon. Yun lang po.
Sir, any message to your friends, family who watching here tonight, sir?
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, nagpapasalamat po kami sa Provincial Director namin, Police Colonel Bonifacio Aranya, sir. And to my Chief of Police of Dinas, Zamboanga del Sur. Sir, thank you, sir. And shout out sa pamilya ko dyan sa Dumalinaw, especially sa asawa ko. Next time na lang. Bye.
Still a big salute to both teams who give their hearts and sportsmanship. Mga ka-Asenso, stay tuned for more updates here at Asenso Sport. This has been Azmira.